Welcome back to AutoBikePro. Today, we're taking a ride into automotive cinema history with one of the most famous Mustangs ever, the Ford Eleanor. Known worldwide for its starring role in Gone in 60 Seconds, Eleanor isn't just a car, it's an icon that blends muscle, style, and Hollywood magic. Design, the star on wheels. The Eleanor Mustang is based on a 1967 Shelby GT 500 Fastback, but with a custom twist. Its silver gray paint with bold black racing stripes gave it a sinister, unforgettable presence. Add in the aggressive front fascia, side scoops, and those iconic Halabrand wheels, and you get a car that looks fast even when standing still. Eleanor wasn't designed to blend in, it was designed to be unforgettable. Interior, classic muscle vibes. Step inside Eleanor, and you're greeted with vintage Mustang charm mixed with racing details. The cockpit kept the 60s simplicity, with analog gauges and wood-grain touches, but it also had performance-minded upgrades like racing seats, a roll cage, and a classic Hurst shifter. It wasn't luxurious, it was all about attitude. Performance, pure Mustang muscle. Under that long hood, Eleanor packed serious muscle. Most builds featured a big block Ford the 5th 8 tuned to deliver 400-plus horsepower, with a throaty exhaust note that made it instantly recognizable. With rear-wheel drive, a manual transmission, and raw, unfiltered handling, driving Eleanor was both exhilarating and intimidating, exactly how a true muscle car should feel. Legacy, more than just a car. What made Eleanor legendary wasn't just performance, it was her personality on screen. From the original 1974 Gone in 60 Seconds to the 2000 remake starring Nicolas Cage, Eleanor became more than a Mustang. She became the dream car of an entire generation of enthusiasts. Today, Eleanor replicas are highly sought after, proving her status as an eternal automotive superstar. Conclusion: a legend that lives forever. The old Ford Eleanor is more than metal and horsepower, it's a cultural icon. It represents freedom, rebellion, and the magic of American muscle. For Mustang fans and car lovers alike, Eleanor will always be the one that got away.